Hello my adorable opossums, how are you going today? You're looking absolutely rabid today, which is awesome. Today I'm doing an unboxing. It is very hot here in Australia and I don't have aircon. I have like this pissy little fan in front of me. So, right, yes, today we're doing unboxing. I have, ignore my shitty nails, I have got rid of my address on here. So, this is from DustyJewelz. As you can see before I tear this, this is from DustyJewelz. Now they do really awesome jewellery. And I bought I have not looked at it yet, obviously. I bought a mystery bag. So let's have a look-see. Put that down there. Okay, so first off, thank you for your order. DustyJewelz. DustyJewelz.
Get on with it!
They're really good. Anyway, okay, so. Ooh. So it comes with one pair of ear weights and a couple of different pairs of tunnels or stretchers. So first, oh my god, these are gorgeous.
Gorgeous!
Wow, these are beautiful. Wow. How pretty. I've got just silicone stretchers in at the moment, silicone tunnels. So, silicone tunnels in at the moment, but look at that. How gorgeous, how beautiful are they? Wow, they're amazing. I love these so much. Okay, these are going to be one of my favorites, I think. I'm not normally like a hoop girl, but these are, I love chains, and these are so nice. Okay, now, so they're the ear weights. I will be taking photos of like each of these and posting it on my Instagram, but yeah, they're beautiful. Okay. So, oh yeah, these are 12s because I have 12 in my ear. So these are silicone, and I believe she said these will glow in the dark. So what I'm going to have to do is I will put them in the sun, and then have them, and then I'll take a quick little video showing that they glow in the dark. And they glow. They're not keeping their glow for that long though, but they still glow. So I'll just put that up there because that's sun. I'm so excited. Ooh, okay, so let's put these aside. Interesting. Okay, so I love orange. Orange is one of my favorite colors. So these unscrew, so you don't force like your ear over this bit. So they actually unscrew, which is good. I haven't tried plastic. Can I actually screw them back on? I haven't tried plastic ones before, so this is going to be really interesting. I'm really looking forward to trying those. And plus they're orange, and I think they look really pretty. So that's interesting. Haven't tried those. Okay, let's have a look at these ones. Oh, I grabbed two of the wrong one. Ooh, I like those. So these are, I believe these are just called saddle plugs because they're not like round like stretchers, but these are really nice. So as you can probably tell, you know, skull, rib cage, spine. So they are gonna look awesome on. They are gonna look so good on. They kind of look like bows. Like if you kind of step back, because they're kind of in a heart shape, and the skulls kind of look like bows, which is pretty cool. So they're going to be, yeah, they're definitely going to be worn as well. And snakes. Oh, Medusa. Awesome. So Medusa plugs, hopefully you can see those. I don't think I can zoom in. Oh, I don't think I can zoom in. Oh, wait, I can. Okay, awesome. There we go. Medusa, yes, these look amazing. I love those. I'll bring the other ones back in so you can see the other ones as well. But, so I'm looking over there because that's where my PC is. And this is all like joined up to my PC. So I keep looking over just to make sure that like everything is in frame. Yeah. They are, oh, and the glow in the dark ones, which are on the windowsill at the moment, which I'll show you once they've got some light in. But how beautiful is that? So this is a mystery bag. So this is a mystery bag, and yeah, these are really, really beautiful. I absolutely love it. And of course the ones that are currently in my ears, which I will take out so you can see them again properly. So they're the ear weights, which are really pretty. So yeah, wow, this is a really good mystery bag. I would highly suggest it. So if you, I know it's mirrored, but DustyJewelz, if you guys are ever on the lookout for new stretches or any sort of body jewellery, go have a look at them. They're really, really good. Jess is amazing. So, and she's really friendly. So yeah, just tell her I sent you. And yeah, awesome. I'm so happy with this. I'm so happy. I am blown away with just how amazing these look. So, and I'm really interested in trying the, actually I might do that now. So I'm really not good at like screw-ins though.
That's what she said.
So let's see how that goes. I usually like pinch my ear as I try to screw it in, because like I said, I'm really not good with it. But anyway, I won't bore you with this. Got it, yay. Okay, so that's what hopefully you can see. I don't know if you can see, but yes, these are the orange plastic ones. They fit really, really snug as well, which is awesome. So yeah, these are very snug. And I think they look cool. I don't know. I don't have a mirror in front of me, so I can't see. And for some reason, my camera turned off. So, but anyway, these are amazing. I absolutely love them. Check out DustyJewelz. And yeah, awesome. Stay weird, guys. Stay weird and beautiful. Okay, bye.